Hello everyone, my name is Sridham Balik and you are watching Balik Robotics. So, this is our first practical video of deep learning, and in this we are going to learn how to make tensors using TensorFlow. Okay, so okay, so I've already told you about what are tensors. Okay, what are zero dimension tensors, one dimension tensor, two dimension tensor, three dimension tensor, etc. Okay, so let's go to our Google Colab. And yeah, if you don't know what is Google Colab, we are going to use our Google Colab for this playlist. Google Colab is like open source Python code or deep learning code editor, and it's online. Okay, so it's like search Colab, just open Colab, sign into the Colab, and make a new node. Okay, just new node. Okay, so are you guys excited to make tensors? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make tensors. Okay, although it's very pretty easy, but although we have to start from the beginning. Okay, so let's start. Like tensors. Okay, so this is Google Colab. Here will be your files you will upload or you will download, or you will zip will be shown here. You can upload the files from here. You can reload, and this is your drive. You can upload from the drive as well. Okay, and if you can name here, and here you can open notebook from your drive or make a new notebook which will be saved in your drive. Save option, rename option, etc. Okay, and edit, you don't need anything. You know all of these, view, insert. Okay, yeah, best things is runtime. Okay, so what is runtime? In here you can change the runtime type. Is like the runtime type is like Python 3. You can also do R from in this, and it's an accelerator. CPU, T4 GPU, TPU. It provide you TPU also. Okay, so you know how amazing this software is. So this is all about the collab which you should know. So let's start. Okay, and first thing is like I am writing the code in this video with you, so you have to write it with me. Okay, then only you will know what we are doing, and you will you know have a habit of writing the TensorFlow code. See. Okay, so what we are going to cover in this video is like first basic concept of Colab. What is Colab? I've already told you what is Colab, and basic concepts. Okay, so we have already covered this. Okay, now we will create a tensor using tf dot constant, and after that we will create a tensor using tf dot variable, and I will share the GitHub link where you can find this uh, you know notebook in the description below. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so our first step is to import TensorFlow. Exactly. So first we will import TensorFlow STF. Okay, let's check the version of the TensorFlow, which TensorFlow it's using. df dot. Although it would be latest version, so we are using 2.13.0, so we are using TensorFlow 2.0, which is quite amazing. Okay, so let's create our first constant. First tensor. Let's go create tensor using df dot constant scalar. We will name it scalar and like tf dot constant, and let's take 69. Okay. Okay, so yeah, and here one feature of the Google Colab is like, if you don't know what this function do, just move your cursor here and it will tell everything. Is like, it is just giving the doc string of the function. It's so great. Okay, so scalar, and okay, so here we have the scalar with the shape this and data type int32. Okay, now check its dimension, and if you have to check the dimension, you can use the function ndim, scalar dot ndim. Okay, okay, so this have 0 dimension. That means this is scalar. Of course, we know it is scalar. Let's make a vector with this. Vector equal to tf dot constant 10 comma 10. Okay, and yes, it will just print the last thing. So if you are printing something which is not at the last of the collab, so you have to write print in the cell. Okay, so like here we will print vector dot ndim. Okay, so yeah, you can see this is our tensor. Its shape is 2 and it's one dimension because it have shape like x-axis. Okay, so let's make some matrices. Matrix. Just copy this, paste this. Matrix. I know matrix spelling is matrice, but it works. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see the shift enter. Yeah. So first we will see the scalar. What is the scalar? Okay. So its shape is null. Data type is int32. Here int32, int32. Okay. So our data type is same everywhere, and its dimension is 0. Dimension is 1 and it's 10 by 10. Shape is 2 comma 0. It's 2 comma 2, so it's a 2 dimension. Okay, so what if I want to have a multi-dimension matrix? Okay, so just tell me what will the output will be. Okay, guess. Will it give the 3 dimension or 2 dimension? 3 dimension or 2 dimension? Oh, it gives the 2 dimension because it has only 2 dimensions. Like this is in one box and like 1 dimensions only. So it's 2 dimension length and breadth. Okay. So what if I have to make a 3 dimension matrix? Let's make this. TF dot constant and like 10 comma 2 like what would I 10 comma 2 5 comma 6. Okay, now I will print this. Let's run the cell. Matrix 2 is not defined. Why the matrix 2? Okay, sorry, I just spelling error. Yeah, so you can see it's 3 dimension. Why? It's a 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 0. So in the shape, how many there will be the numbers, there will be the that much dimensions. Okay, so this was the constant, and now you will be like, why it is called tf dot constant. Okay, so if I want to change, let's take our scalar, or let's take our vector. Okay, and like I have to assign the value of vector b a equal to tf. Okay, a equal to vector dot assign. What does the assign function does is it just assign the values. uh uh, you can see there's error, although it's like there is a function assign, but it is not in the vector, cause you can't use the assign in the constant term. So for to solve this, we have the variable. It's like we can make vector 2, which is tf dot variable. Remember that in variable v is capital variable, and here you just give 10 comma 10, and just like vector 2. We have made in vectors. Let's see control v vector 2. Okay, So yeah, so you can see, yeah, okay. So you can see numpy array is 10 comma 1 and it was 10 comma 10. So you can assign or change the variable vectors, but you can't change the constants. So this was the difference of constant and variable. And if you have done these things, so congratulations, now you know how to make the tensors. Actually this was the only arrays, and you should know how to make this and how to perform some basic stuffs. That's why I made this video, and it's not so long. So in the second video we are going to learn how to use the random function. So what I am teaching you right now, I am teaching you the fundamentals of the TensorFlow, NumPy, and some basic things before we are jumping on a neural network, so that you don't stuck in the neural network. So this was all about today's video, and if you are new, just subscribe to our channel, share it to your friends, and we will meet in the second video. Bye bye.